Hi, welcome to Road to 100 Con Questions. So, discount of 5% was offered per pen when first 5 pens were sold, and discount was offered of X% per pen from 6th to 25th pen. So, now 13 pens are sold. So, from 5 pens, you're giving 5% discount. The rest 8 pens, you're giving X% discount, and the average discount is 9%. So if you use allegation, the concept is reverse allegation. What you get ratio is the number of pens. So you'll get 5:8. So when you reverse it, this 8 is because of difference of 5 and 9. 5 is difference of because of 9 and x. 8 stands for 4%. So 5 will stand for 2.5%. So the value will be 11.5%. B option. You can use the concept of weighted average also out here. So basically, you're saying that you're given 5% discount was offered per pen for 5 pens. So 5 into 5% plus the remaining 8 pens, you just X% divided by 5 plus 8, weighted average, gives you 9%. You can use this also. 5 other 25 plus 8x is equal to 9 into 13. So you'll get 8x equal to 117 minus 25, which will come to around, if you subtract 117 minus 25, you will get 95. So 98. And from that you divide by x. Okay, so you get 92 divided by 8, 11.5. So you can use the weighted average concept or you can use the reverse allegation concept. 10 chocolates were distributed between A, B and C such that A received at least 2 chocolates and B and C received 3 chocolates each. So total 8 chocolates are already distributed. So you have to distribute 2 more chocolates between A, B and C. So it's possible that both the chocolates are given to one person. If both the chocolates are given to one person, it can go to A or B or C. So that is 3 ways. Or you give 1 and 1 chocolate for 2 people. I mean, you can give 1 chocolate to AB, or 1 chocolate to BC, or 1 chocolate to AC. Again 3 ways. So total 6 ways. D is the answer. Right? So you can give 1 chocolate, so 2 chocolates to 1 person, so 3 ways, A or B or C. Or you can give 1 chocolate to 2 people, between 1 person is left out. The person left out could be A, B or C. Again 3 ways, so total 6 ways. 30 students in a class, 10 play cricket, 15 play football, 20 play hockey. Now, 2 ways of doing it. One way is, look at all the games being played. 10 plus 15 plus 20. So if you add it up, it becomes 45. So 45 games are played, right? And there are 30 students. Now first, all the 30 students will play one game, which is 30 games. I'm left with how many games? 15 games. So now I'll give 2 games to each person because they have to play all 3 games. To play all 3 games, they can play 2 games. To 7 people, I can give 2 more games so that these 7 people play 3 games. Still 1 game is left. So the answer will be 7 people can play 3 games. Another way is you can draw Venn diagram and then substitute the values and check out. So if you have cricket 10, football 15 and hockey 20. Substitute the options and check out. So if I put 7 for example out here, okay, playing all the 3 games. If 7 play all the 3 games, only cricket could be 3, only football could be 8 and only hockey could be 13. Add it up, you see 31 satisfies. You can, somewhere one person can play 2 games like here, and then this will be 7 and 12. So 30 satisfies. In anything else you do like 8 or 10, you will not get 30. For example, if I take 10, so what do you get? Cricket 0, football 5, hockey 10. Total becomes 25, but I want 30 people. Right? More than 10 definitely not possible. One is because of the option or because only 10 people play cricket. A good method would be this straight method. It's easier to get the answer this way. Divided by k gives the same remainder. Let the remainder be r, let's say. So that means 3416 is a multiple of k and then a remainder. So let's say ak plus r. Same way this will be bk plus r, ck plus r. If you subtract, what you get is or B minus AK. That means when you subtract these two, you get some multiple of K when you subtract the two. So that's how you calculate. So subtract 8416 minus 4241, you get 825. 4241 minus 58691, you get 1650 multiple. So you can say it should be a factor of 825. Find a factor of 825. 25 into 33. The only option which is a factor of 825 is 33. So A is the answer. Equal quantity of liquid of alcohol and water are poured in two vessels. First vessel, some amount of water is evaporated. So if you look at in the first vessel now, resultant 3:4 is alcohol and water. Second vessel it is 4:7. Alcohol is same in both. So first try to make alcohol same. To make alcohol same, I multiply it by 4, so the alcohol becomes 12:16. To make alcohol same, I multiply it by 3 to get 12:21. So once we get this 12:16, 12:21, okay, so this is the original quantity after evaporation. And now we know the water evaporated in the first case is 2 and the water added is 3 in the ratio 2:3. Difference is 5, 16 and 21. To make this 2 and 3, that means the water initially should have been 18. That means initially alcohol and water should be 12:18, which is 2:3. Because 18 and 16 difference is 2, 18 and 21 difference is 3. So 18 satisfies. So 12 alcohol, 18 water. So ratio has to be 2:3 initially. Thank you.